Okay, two examples of drawing cylinders. Remember, the reason we want to draw cylinders is because they're easy to draw. We don't have to actually make really great pictures out of them. All we want to do is be able to draw them fairly quickly and describe them. And that's pretty much it. Now, I can tell this is a cylinder because there's no X. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw it pretty quickly. Just try to draw something. X goes down here. Y goes over here like this. Z goes up here like this. Now normally if I just see two variables, I know what to draw. I'm supposed to draw a sign in the ZY plane, and that should just do something like this. Up and down and up and down and up. I know it goes forever. All I want to do is move, right, in the direction of the missing variable. Try to draw the same thing again. So up and down and up and down and up. And then start connecting up corresponding pieces. So zeros to zeros, peaks to peaks, zeros to zeros, troughs to troughs, zeros to zeros, peaks to peaks. And you can see, hey, that looks like a wave. It's good enough. We'll never have to draw it better than that. We do have to actually recognize what that is. A wave, I think, is a perfectly good thing. I tend to like food. And to me, the food this looks like is lasagna. That looks like an infinite lasagna noodle going infinitely that direction and infinitely this direction. So that's the first one. The second one for this activity that they wanted us to draw wasn't a wave at all. It is z equals 1 minus y. And again, that's missing x. So all I'm going to do is do what we did before. Just try to draw something fairly quick. I know what z equals 1 minus y looks like in the zy plane. That's just a line that just goes through these 2 points. I'm just going to try to stick myself to the first octant at the moment. So what I'm going to do is, again, draw lines that are parallel to the missing variable. Then just come down like this, come down like this, come down like this, come down like this. And you can see over here, I've tried to reproduce what goes over here. Now, remember, when you have 3 variables and you have 1 equation, you've cut the dimension down by 1. So this is actually something of a dimension 2. It only has area, so it's not this whole block thing here. It's just this front surface right there like that. And so that's what we get. This sounds really simple, but this particular one gets used a lot in statistics, so get used to seeing it. That's it for this activity.